Jamie with Loving All Seasons, and today we are here with Candle Day haul. So I'm first going to start by saying thank you for stopping by and clicking on that button and checking me out if you're brand new. If you are a long-time subscriber, middle-time subscriber, or you've just come back to see me again for the second time, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. So today I'm sitting in a little different space. I wanted to film in front of the tree. The sun was washing me out so bad. I first want to say, remember the earrings I had talked about the other day? I never showed you guys. So if that's weird, hopefully you've seen them. They're little piggy Christmas pigs. Are they not the cutest? And it's by Betsy Johnson. I don't know what I said that day, but you know me. I'm always saying something incorrect. But that's me. So I'm so excited because it is Candle Day. And, you know, it was definitely very different. Not as busy. I don't know if it's because more people did online or they were turned off by the $10.25. But I'll tell you what, I had coupons. I'm sure a lot of you got them. There's still time. I'm going to try to get this up so you can head out to your stores if you didn't realize today was Candle Day. But with that 10 off of 40 makes your candles back to like $8, maybe a little less, something like that. Plus then I got the free gifts, so even less it feels like, you know, because you're getting the free whatever you pick for $13.50. But let's hop into this haul. One thing I want to say before I show you the candles that I chose, don't forget your guys' little bags. Like, these are great even if you don't gift your candles. But the little tags are so cute. They're buffalo check this year. It says give love this season. And then, of course, it has a little Bath&Body Works. A to and from. Now, obviously you can put it on it if you purchase, but these are nice. And then the smaller ones for the lotions. But I like getting these even if I don't end up using them. I get them for whatever I purchase. If I don't give it away, I use it on other little items, put curly ribbons. But that's another little perk if you go during this time. All right, first of all, first one I have here. Now, you guys, I don't have my glasses on, and it's going to be really hard to see. This one is white tea and sage. I'm going to do that so you can see. And the ingredients. Sparkling bergamot, white tea, fresh sage, and natural oils for this one. And that packaging is just so pretty, isn't it? I have a coworker at work. She loves snowflakes. That's her Christmas, and then that way if she wants to leave it up all through January, as long as she wants. But I got her this little gift. I got her a couple other little snowflake things. I told you, comment below. Let me know if you guys are interested in seeing like gift ideas and how to put them together. I love doing baskets. Love, love, love. But the next one is called Holiday. And look at that pretty packaging. And I'll show you the bottom so you guys can see, and that way you can pause it and take a look. Red cinnamon sticks, Christmas clove buds, ground nutmeg, with natural essential oils. So this one, you guys, it smells so good. It smells like truly the holidays. I wish there was smell-o-vision. I'm not kidding. I know there's so many people, but oh, you can really smell that cinnamon, but it's not too strong. It's not too cinnamony. And then that ground nutmeg, like it's just, oh, awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Then, let's see. The next candle, I ended up getting 8. But frosted cranberry. But you guys, look at that packaging. It is so gorgeous. Like, they do such a good job. And this one reminds me, iced cranberries, blonde wood, red apple. I can't see that. Toke bean. We'll do that one more time for you guys so you can see the ingredients. But this one to me, it smells kind of like a cookie, but at the same time you smell that cranberry kind of scent to it. So, I mean, it smells really good. All right, next. So 2 of them are the same. It's the black cherry marlowe. My youngest loves this candle. This is one of the things all he asked for, besides cash this year. And dark cherries, black raspberries, and I can't see something Merlot. Now, this one is a little hard for me. A lot of scents can bother me, but he loves this and he'll just close his door. Oops, sorry. He'll close his door and then that way, you know, it's kind of more in his room. But I got him 2 of those. Then, you guys know they had, at the one I went to, it was a smaller one. I didn't go inside the big one because I thought there would be long lines, but there wasn't because I ended up going by that and there wasn't. But I got the pumpkin vanilla cream. I thought that was really pretty. This reminds me of a little bit of pecan, the pumpkin pecan waffle, which is that's my favorite. But this one's creamy pumpkin, vanilla cream, fresh ground nutmeg, graham cracker crust with essential oils. So, but it's just a plain. And then I'll do that one more time. If you guys are interested. But I like that. That's the first time I've smelled that. I don't even think I saw that during the fall season. Oh, this is the same one. All right. Next one. Did I get 2 of the same? You guys. I think I did. No? Or did I? I think I may. Yep. Frosted cranberry. Apparently I like that so much. I may end up exchanging one of these. I liked it, but look at the packaging on that one. That's really pretty, right? I really like that. Just simple. So yeah, I got the same thing twice. And then I had to get the sugar snickerdoodle. A baked good. I always got to have a baked good. But look at how cute those little gingerbread. In the kitchen, that'll look really nice. Sitting on the counter burning, you know. to give you that scent. But warm spice, creamy vanilla, sugar musk, and natural essential oils. So that's what's in that. So that's it for my candle part. Then for my free gifts, you guys, this was new, I think. Comment below. I don't buy tons of their stuff, but this smelled really good to me. Tea tree and peppermint. So I got the lotion, and look at how beautiful that packaging is. Like for a gift, if I wanted to. And then I got the body wash, foam bath. And if you guys know what like a tea tree smells like, it's really good. A lot of times people that get migraines and things like that can use a tea tree oil on their temples. I am one of those people. So I used to use this. It was from a natural body. Maybe it was Body Works or something like that. And it was tea tree oil. And I love that. And with the peppermint, that's the same thing because I do something that's really crazy. But if any of you out there, this is a little hack and you're not really supposed to do it, but I do it and it helps. So Bengay has that minty like, what is that scent? But it will help if you have a migraine where it also, or a tension headache. If you put it along the base of your neck, a little bit behind your ears, and which you probably shouldn't, but because if it gets in your eyes, it does sting, but I put a little bit on the temples. And then I always put a cloth across my head, and it works so good. But I just thought this might be good if I'm having where I'm feeling really tense or I'm getting a headache to use this. So I got these, and these were both $13.50, so I got them free. And I think they smell wonderful, you guys, with the tea tree and the peppermint. My husband's not a big fan of peppermint, but I love it. And like I have peppermint soap in the bathroom, and it just makes your hands feel tingly and clean, and I love it. I know, it's crazy. I bought one other thing that I wanted to show you guys, because I like getting these for my little hand sanitizers. Is he not adorable? He doesn't do anything, but he's just cute as I don't know what, so I can put one back on my purse. I've had the little candy corn on my purse. I think I just took it off last week, and I was like, okay, it's time to change, Jamie. But this one was $3.95. But isn't he cute? He's just for your little sanitizer. You can hang him on your backpack, your purse, whatever. But that's it for my candle day. I just wanted to share some of that. They have some really good deals in there. I think their soaps were like, their pump soaps. I really like getting it when it's the $3 and I think something cents. But they were 4 for $20, 6 for $27. They had all kinds of cute little gift sets. I should have filmed a little in there, but I didn't think about it until I got home, and I was like, ooh, I'm going to share my candle day with them, and so they can run out and get it. But I have more to come. I just wanted to share this with you guys. I may even vlog a little tonight and share a little bit of our date night. We're going downtown to Detroit and see our Christmas tree down there, see all the lights. They actually have a skating, so it's kind of like in New York where, you know, obviously you can't compare, because that is just, from my understanding, is amazing. Times Square, or not Times Square, but where they have the Christmas tree and the ice skating, but this is our version, And I may share that with you guys tonight if my husband doesn't mind sharing me. So that's it. Comment below. Did you guys go out for Candle Day? Did you order some online? Let me know. All right. Be kind to one another. Love one another. And I'll see you next time.